Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Loora AI and get refund. So I'll start with the first step, which is to open the Loora and check subscription. So from here, just have to open the Loora app and go to your profile tab. So from here, you will see your active Loora premium subscription with the renewal date. So you have to tap on the manage, then next to your subscription to continue. Next is open Apple subscription. So Loora bills through Apple. So tapping manage opens iOS settings. So tap on subscriptions and then go to Loora. So you will see your plan, which is monthly or annual, and a red cancel subscription button at the bottom. Next is confirm the cancellation. So tap on cancel subscription and confirm on the pop-up. And from here, you'll keep premium access until the end of the billing period. So cancellation alone does not refund you. That's the next step. Next is request a refund from Apple. So open Safari and go to report a problem.apple.com. So sign in with your Apple ID and find the Loora charge. Then you have to choose the request a refund and then pick a reason. Like for example, I did not intend to sign up. And then you have to tap on the next to submit. Lastly is wait for refund confirmation. So the Apple emails a confirmation with your request ID and pending status. So most decisions arrive within 24 to 48 hours. So approved refunds return to your original payment method in 3 to 5 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!